Ruger SR22. Man. Another 22. I like the grips, don't you?
It won't run real cheap ammo. Yeah, Federal, CCI, some Remington. That Remington Golden Saber runs through it real good. That's Federal, you're running through it now.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
I like the way it feels.
Yep.
It's got a long trigger pull though, doesn't it?
Yes. It's a good gun.
I like that. The rubberized grip. What do they call those?
It's just they got two sets of grips. They pull straight off.
Oh, okay.
You take the mag out and it pulls straight off. You put the small, that's the large one, and the other one's small.
I like that.